So hello folks, how are you doing? Today we have the opportunity to compare the recently revealed C63s Coupe, the new one for the 2019 model year, with our existing C63s. And both cars of course have the optional performance exhaust, and we will now crank them up and see how the sound is compared for the new one and the old one. Because as you all know that the new one has got a filter in it now to be EU compliant for the latest regulations, but we are very anxious to see how maybe that has even changed the tone and the sound.